the 2015 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.